Meaning of fingerprint.
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 Fingerprint. A fingerprint is a unique pattern of ridges and valleys on the surface of the fingers and thumbs of humans and other primates. Fingerprints are used for identification purposes because no two fingerprints are exactly alike. The uniqueness of fingerprints is determined by the pattern of ridges and valleys as well as the minutiae points, or small features within the ridges. Fingerprints are often used by law enforcement agencies to identify suspects and in biometric systems to provide secure access to sensitive information or areas.